YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Gears and I'm back with another video. Today I decided to do a small haul for you guys. I want to show you what I picked up at Homegoods, Marshalls, and I think Sephora. So if you're interested in seeing what I have to share with you all, keep on watching. Okay, let's talk about Sephora. Let's get this out the way. The first item that I picked up from Sephora I showed you guys in my vlog is this lippy from Huda Beauty. I believe it's Huda Beauty. Yeah, it's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Wifey. The lip color is so cute on the lips. I like the way it looks, and I pair it with my favorite brown liner. I'm gonna swatch that for you. And I pair this with my favorite brown liner from NYX. It's called Urban Cafe. Now this is the slide on glide on stay on lip pencil, and it's real smooth. So those two paired together makes a great combination. The lippy that I have on today is from Sephora. It's by Buxom. No, I lied. It's by Pat McGrath, and this is called For Real. And this, when I feel like I want to wear a lip gloss, I just throw this on. But when I want a matte lippy, I've been wearing this since I got it. And the second item that I picked up from Sephora is this here blush from Fenty, and it is the Stalker. It's the Instant Once bronzer, and it's in the shade Caramel Cutie. As you can see, it comes with a mirror, and this is the bronzer. I've worn it twice, maybe 3 times, and so far it's okay. I don't know, for some reason, then I got to get used to it because I've been using my beauty supply store bronzer, and I gave that a chance, and it's like 30 bucks, guys. This right here is only, it's like 30 bucks, and this right here, I hit pan, was only, I believe, maybe 4 bucks. But this is it, and I like the little flecks of gold shimmer in here, and I have that on today, and I really like that. But that's not the video. I'm just sharing with you all this bronzer that I picked up, and so far I don't have much to say about it. I'm gonna give it a swirl within the next couple of days, and hopefully it works out for me, or it will be going back. So that is all that I picked up at Sephora, and then we're gonna move on to, let's go to Walmart real quick. I went to Walmart and I purchased a lot of groceries and whatnot, but when I stopped in the health and beauty section, I seen this here from Tree Hut. You guys see this all the time, and it's the Bohemian Escape. It's the Shea Sugar Scrub, and it has turmeric in it, which detoxifies and tones the skin. This sucker smells so good. Looks like so. I am telling you guys, you might want to go and pick it up. It smells super good, so I can't wait to use that tonight when I shower. But this is a real nice fragrance. And I picked up 2 nail polishes from LA Colors. This is a yellow one, and this is a purple. I had it on in my last video, and it takes maybe like 3 coats for it to get opaque. I had to use a white base, so it's not the best, but it's okay for the price. I think it was maybe like $1.99 or $2.99. Now let's move on to Marshalls. I was in Marshalls / Homegoods, and in my vlog I was showing you some perfumes that I was interested in picking up. And the only reason why I picked this one up, this is from English Laundry No. 7 by Christopher Wicks, is because it was only, I think, $12.99. If it wasn't $12.99, I wouldn't have gotten it. But it's a really nice fragrance. It smells clean but warm, and it has, I can't even explain it, but it just smells good. And I picked that one up, and then I also smelled this one, and it's kind of familiar. This smells like the Britney Spears. Is it Britney Spears? I don't want to butcher, but it smells like Fantasy a little bit. So I just combined the two, and I get a great fragrance. It's not long lasting because when I sprayed it on, 6 hours later I didn't smell it, but it does smell good. I like to combine the two. So this is like some perfume that you would wear to, like, maybe go on errands or over someone's house and or to the movies. Nothing like fancy or anything else. If you want to smell good all day. And then I picked up my son some shoes because he needs some more gym shoes. So I picked him up some Nikes, these are the Nikes. Also from Walmart, I did pick up some more of the Swisspers, and these are the cotton rounds. I use these to take off my eye makeup and sometimes my makeup in general. I love it. And the last item that I'm going to show you is from Homegoods, and it's this mirror right here. Beautiful mirror. I really like it. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of heavy, so I'm not going to hold it up too long. But yeah, that's the mirror from Homegoods, and I told you I was going to replace the mirror that's in the living room with that one, so as soon as my husband put it up, I can show you guys how it looks. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. I just ran upstairs. So that will complete my haul. I don't think I have anything else to share with you all. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye y'all.